In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print two-sided pages in Microsoft Word. Printing on both sides of the paper, also known as duplex printing, is a great way to save paper, reduce bulk, and create professional-looking documents for reports, manuals, or handouts. Microsoft Word makes it easy to set up double-sided printing with just a few steps. To begin, open the Word document you want to print. Make sure the document is fully edited and formatted the way you want it, as double-sided printing will print exactly what is on your pages. Once your document is ready, go to the File tab located at the top left corner of the screen and click on Print. This opens the Print Settings window, where you can control all aspects of your printing. In the Print Settings, locate the option that says Print One-Sided. Click on the drop-down menu next to it, and you'll see options for print on both sides or manually print on both sides. If your printer supports automatic duplex printing, select Print on both sides. Word will then automatically print your document on both sides of the paper. If your printer does not support automatic duplex printing, you can select Manually Print on both sides. With this option, Word will print the odd-numbered pages first. Once the first set of pages is printed, it will prompt you to flip the stack of paper and reinsert it into the printer to print the even-numbered pages. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure the pages are aligned correctly. Before printing, also check other settings such as page range, number of copies, and printer selection to ensure everything is configured properly. If you're printing a long document, it's a good idea to do a test print of a few pages first to verify that the duplex printing works as expected. Using the double-sided printing option not only saves paper, but also gives your documents a more polished and professional appearance. It's especially useful for creating booklets, handouts, or multi-page reports. And that's it. You now know how to print two-sided pages in Microsoft Word efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.